Welcome back to AVS, the channel where we break down the tools and strategies you need to thrive online. If you're a freelancer, consultant, or solopreneur, you've probably asked yourself a million times, what should I charge? And you've probably guessed, or copied what others are charging, and ended up overworked and underpaid. Well, today, that changes. I'm going to give you a 3-step framework to figure out your perfect rate. And to make it dead simple, I'm giving you my powerful freelance rate calculator tool for free. Plus, I'm including my ultimate quick start guide PDF that walks you through the mindset shift you need. You can grab the link in the description. Alright, let's get into the framework. Step 1. Calculate your true business costs. Most freelancers just think about their personal salary, what they need to pay rent and buy groceries. But you're not an employee, you're a business owner. Your business has its own expenses. Think about it, you have software subscriptions, you have to buy a new laptop every few years, you need insurance, accounting fees, and you have to pay taxes. On top of all that, a healthy business needs a profit margin at least 20% to reinvest and grow. So your first goal isn't to just cover your bills. It's to generate enough revenue to cover your salary, all your business expenses, and a healthy profit. This is the foundation. Step 2. Price for value, not for time. This is the game changer. A client doesn't buy 10 hours of your time. They buy the result of those 10 hours. For example, which is more valuable? 10 hours of a designer pushing pixels. B. A new logo and brand identity that helps a startup land a $50,000 investment client. The outcome is infinitely more valuable than the time. When you understand this, you stop selling hours and start selling solutions. This is what allows you to command premium rates. Step 3. Use the right tool. Okay, so now you have the right mindset. But how do you turn all that theory into a concrete number? That's exactly why we built this free freelance rate calculator. It takes all the guesswork out of it. You just input your desired salary, your business expenses, your profit margin, and how many hours you actually want to work, and it spits out the perfect hourly rate you need to hit your goals. See? It gives you a clear, data-backed number that you can confidently present to clients. It's not a guess, it's a strategy. This calculator is the first step. It gives you the what. But to truly succeed, you also need the how. That's why I bundled it with my free Ultimate Quick Start Guide PDF. It walks you through these exact steps so you can internalize the CEO mindset. And I want to hear from you. What is the single biggest challenge you face when it comes to pricing your services? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one and it helps me create more videos for you. If you're getting value from this, do me a quick favor and hit that like button and subscribe to AVSDG Zone. It really helps the channel out. So, you have the mindset, you have the free tool, and you have the guide. You have everything you need to stop undercharging and start building a real business. But what if you want more? What if you want the complete A to Z system for not just getting better clients, but for building a team, systematizing your workflow, and scaling your income to 7 figures? That's what the 7-Figure Accelerator is all about. It's the ultimate mentorship program who is ready to become business owners. The journey starts right now. The link to get your free freelance rate calculator and the ultimate quick start guide PDF is the very first link down in the description. Just enter your name, email, and submit. It will get downloaded instantly in your system. Go grab it, and I'll see you on the next video.